We're very pleased to introduce Roon 1.8. This release, maybe more than any other that we've ever done, represents an evolution that's being guided by the community that uses Roon every day. We're a group of musicians and producers, engineers, and audiophiles who bring not only a shared passion for music, but also our expertise. And increasingly, that's defining what Roon is. The first thing you'll notice about Roon 1.8 is its completely new look and feel. It's a modern, fresh design that takes its inspiration from the museum, an airy and neutral environment in which to display art. We also took cues from classic music magazines, which use typography and layout to help bring music to life from a two-dimensional page. Last year, we introduced a technology we call Valence, which is the brains behind Roon Radio. Just by listening to the music they love every day, Roon users are constantly training Valence to form connections between music and people across every conceivable genre. Combined with Roon's deep metadata, this allows Valence to surface and suggest music with what feels like uncanny sensitivity and insight. Roon 1.8 features over 40 new ways in which Valence provides context, meaning, and rich suggestions as you browse and listen. Focus has long been a favorite Roon feature for filtering and sorting the contents of your music library. Now you have that same power virtually everywhere in Roon. So the near impossible task of finding exactly what you want among millions of streaming titles is now trivial in Roon 1.8. For example, you could be browsing Miles Davis's discography of over 1,000 titles and focus on albums produced by Rudy Van Gelder that feature Art Blakey and appeared on the Prestige label. Then of the 10 or so results out of over 1,000, you discover that several of those albums are actually by Thelonious Monk and Sonny Rollins. In Roon 1.8, classical music gets its own visual style and information layout designed to make it easy to find the recordings you're looking for. For the connoisseur, Valence identifies relationships between composers, conductors, and performers and helps cut through the no-name releases so you can find well-regarded performances of any composition. For listeners just getting started with classical music, Roon guides you as you explore the genre from the perspective of composer, performance, period, and form. Every aspect of what you see is now tailored to your needs, from Valence recommendations that are sensitive to your taste, to the dashboard that lets you explore your listening history in detail. Using Roon 1.8 is like having access to encyclopedic knowledge and expert opinion across virtually every genre and style. And by providing you insight into your own listening, it helps you derive more enjoyment from music. We're very excited about this release, and we're looking forward to hearing what you think. Please join the discussion on social media and at community.roonlabs.com.